This is Lana Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And we're coming to you from inside today because it's a cold, snowy day in Colorado. Today is more of a public service announcement. We've recently had hail in our area, and in previous videos we talk about fighting roof injustice and the bad guys coming and whatnot. And we've had some interesting things happening here in the Colorado Springs area. We've had companies going around projecting themselves as being part of the manufacturers, and even in one case they said they were with our company. And so I just wanted to give you some pointers as a homeowner about what to do. So what happens is you have a storm in your area and people come through and they knock on doors and introduce themselves, and they're always very, very pleasant, or usually are very pleasant. One thing, when they offer to get up on your roof, one thing that you can do as a homeowner is to look around and see if you have what we call collateral damage. So if your fence has damage, if your mailbox has damage, if you can see dents in your gutters, or if you have chunks gone in your railings or whatever, then there's a good chance that you might have some roof damage. But if you're not seeing any evidence of any of that, then I would just say politely pass, and you could call a local roofing contractor to come and look. Most local contractors are happy to come and do roof inspections. I know our company is. But it could save you a lot of grief down the road to do this. We've had roofs get totaled that didn't need totaled. We've had damages caused to roofs by people walking up there that shouldn't have been walking up there. And in the long run, it can just cause a lot of issues. So today I just wanted to help fight that roof injustice as the roof lady and give you some tips for making better choices after a storm. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Fight Roof Injustice.
Oh, hail, another storm. But with a metal roofing system from Lianro, you have no worries. It won't crack, curl, rot, or blow off. This stone-coated steel-based roofing system effectively withstands wind in excess of 100 miles per hour. Wind-driven rain and even a lot of hail cannot prove a match for the strength of our metal roofing product line. Give Lianro a call today for more information on your roofing needs.